Hi boys and girls, welcome to Math with Miss Shannon. I hope that you have 13-7 available with you for this video. If you don't, please pause it and go grab it. By this time you have gotten a packet from Miss Shannon. I've dropped it off at your porch, and in that packet it has included shapes cut out by Miss Shannon for this assignment. So, if you could get your shapes out as well and lay them out, so that we can work on the front page of our graphing work. Graphing is something that we would normally have lots of fun with at school. We would get together in a group and we would talk about our favorite food. We would talk about what color we like better. We would talk about how many letters are in our name. Then we would graph it and put big graphs all over the wall in the hallway. However, as we are not there, we will try to do our best to have as much fun with this as possible. So, if you could please get a pencil or a pen or a crayon that you can color with so that we can shade in our graphs, that would be great. All right, let's start. So if you've noticed, they've already done this for us. This is an orange square. Can my friend say an orange square? All right, so we are going to go and we are going to find all of our orange squares. 1, 2, 3. Here's all of our orange squares. What did my friends notice about this and this? What is the same? We have 3 for both of them. So what we have done is we have gone to our shapes and we have found that we have 3 orange squares, and in order to show that, we have done just that by coloring in the squares to show that on our graph. So moving to our blue diamonds or parallelogram, I think we're going to leave it with a diamond. How many blue diamonds do my friends see? 1. So let's go ahead and pick it up and we'll put it over here. If I only have 1 blue diamond, how many squares am I going to color in? Exactly, we are going to color in 1. Nice job. Moving on to our green triangles. How many green triangles do my friends see? 2. Oh, not 3. This one doesn't count, my friends. Just the 2 that we're looking for. This one is just telling us where we're going to put our triangle amount. So we have 2 triangles. So we're going to put them right on top so that we know how many to color. So we are going to color 2 squares. 1 and 2. Nice job so far, my friends. I see a lot of my friends making good choices. Now that we are down here, we have red trapezoids. How many red trapezoids do you see? You see 4? Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh my goodness, so does Miss Shannon. So I need my friends to color that many. Let's count and color. 1, 2, 3, 4. Nice job. All right, so you're going to go ahead and clean off your paper, and you are going to turn it into the middle, where we are going to continue to do number 1 and number 2 together. You're going to do number 3 and number 4 together. Are you ready? Or by yourself, I'm sorry. Are you ready? All right, so first we need to find how many party hats we have. How many party hats do we see over here? 2. Now, can we pick these party hats up and move them like we did our shapes? No. So what's a good way to make sure that we count them right and then make sure we don't count them again? Oh, we could cross them out. That's a great choice. So let's do that. Let's count and cross. 1, 2. So you're going to go over here to the party hats. Am I going to color in the balloons yet? No, because we're working on party hats. That's right. So we're going to color 1. Miss Shannon's pen's not working. 1, 2. That's how many we crossed out. So now let's go count our red balloons. And remember, we're not counting this one. This is just telling us where to color in the graph. So let's count. 1, cross it out. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now I have a question. The important part about graphing is not only to collect data or information about a picture, but it's also to help us solve a problem. If we look at this one versus this one, we can tell that one of them has more. Which one has more? The balloons. Nice job. How do we know that? We can count. Or we could do one-to-one correspondence, yep, and we see that these two don't have a friend. Or we see that this line is longer. Those are all great options, my friends. That tells me you've paid attention in school. And we've learned up until this point. Nice job. All right, let's start with, we're going to call this a pink paint. Because these are paintbrushes, so why not? Let's count our pink paint. 1, 2, 3, 4. That means we need to come over here and we need to color how many? 4. Nice job. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, let's go back and count our paintbrushes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right, let's color them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now let's look at our graph, and who can tell me which one I have more of? Right, I have more of the paintbrushes, and we know that because we could count, and we know that 5 is more than 4. We could do one-to-one correspondence and know that this one doesn't have a friend, or we can just look to see which line is longer. My friends, you are so smart, and that's why I know that you guys can do 3 and 4 by yourselves. Notice that 4 has 3 different things, so make sure you're looking for your sheep, your rooster, and your cow. Okay? When you are all done with that, you need to tell me by circling. So Miss Shannon will go back over here. So you're going to circle. Hold on, Miss Shannon needs to figure out how to do this. You're going to circle the one that has more. So when you get over here and you decide which one has more, you're going to circle that whole thing just like this. Okay? All right, thank you.